has outdone herself again.
The world's fastest man, Usain Bolt, is in quarantine after reportedly testing for COVID-19 just days after a party for his 34th birthday was held. The party was attended by England footballer Raheem Sterling and Leon Bailey and many local Jamaican stars, including Ding Dong, Christopher Martin, and Munga. Jamaica's Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton reportedly confirmed that Bolt had been notified of the positive test and contact tracing was underway. In the meantime, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has told reporters that the police are investigating the circumstances surrounding the birthday party with Bolt, where numerous patrons, including Usain, were without masks. The Prime Minister said the police will soon report on their investigations. At the same time, he said the police commissioner has reported that since the coronavirus in Jamaica, more than 1,000 people have been charged for breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act.
Yes! Warm and easy. See the ball there, one can dance. Everybody can dance. Watch out now! Listen to me now, Sterling! Sterling! Watch
from the first day, my birthday. He's actually the birthday. In the first way, you didn't deserve that shit that you got. Push that breath, yes, go. Yes,
New style.